Good morning, coaster spotters. As always, this is Alex, and welcome to construction update number 8 of the Jersey Devil coaster here at Six Flags Great Adventure. Well, across the lake at Prospertown Lake Park. So we're going to go ahead and take the drone up. We'll give you another view from a slightly different angle from the ground at the end of the update, but they are working. There's a lot to talk about, and obviously a lot of stuff is going on, and I'll add a little bit of commentary during the flight into that.
All right, here we go. Cleared for takeoff and flying towards the construction site in the absolutely gorgeous morning sunrise. And right away, look at all that structure. Dive loop structure is up. Block brake structure is up. The airtime hill structure is up. And at the bottom of your screen, that bright orange track. A glimmer of brightness right now, definitely. Now those two tall supports, those were installed but not to the height, so that's the only difference really on the eastern side of the site. If you saw last update, I kept on confusing east with west. We're going to take a closer look at the station area, which has, oddly, had some more developments. So the station area now has more footers. They have different groupings than the ones that were previously dug and installed. So I'm led to believe this is probably for the exit ramp or entrance ramp, one of the two. And keep an eye out on the top right corner there where the nitro is. You can see that there's still some track there, but no supports that I could see. I believe possibly all the supports are now on site. Remaining to be constructed is 17 supports off to the side with only 7 underneath the structure. So those should be going up as we speak, if not already. There are 23 track segments off to the side. Now there are only 6 open footers that I could count. So the structure is really getting there for completion. Looks like the biggest part to be really done right now is the lift hill area. So soon we'll be at 130 feet, and soon at 3,000 feet of track will be installed. No concernable work that I can see around the area for midways or anything of the like. So we can see this morning they were currently working on one of those supports for the dive loop, which is actually a support that looks like it really needs track to support itself. So either cables are going to be used or track is going in really soon. I believe a lot of the supports that are left remaining are ones that need the track for support. And finally, we need to talk about what's been going on. Park is scheduled to open April 4th. That is probably not going to happen. Hopefully May sometime. And hopefully Jersey Devil will be opening right behind that or around opening, depending on how late the delays happen. Don't want to dwell on it too much, but I figured I just have to say something about it. I want these updates to let you forget about things a little bit and just let you know that I'm here to provide you updates as long as they are working, and check out the channel every day. There'll be a video. I have a huge backlog of vlogs and plenty of content to get us through this entire time of uncertainty. and one final shot to compare it with the concept art. Next time I will definitely try to get a lower view to match up a little bit better. But that's it from the air. As we can see, the construction is very visible from across the lake now, which is great to see. And I'm hoping next time we stop by, we'll have that bright orange track in the sky. We can get through this together. So thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. This has been Alex. See you next time.